Do you need a roof solution that's fast, strong and structurally sound? At RMD Profiles we supply the complete range of Tata steel RoofDek profiles, cut to length from stock for small works, fully supported technically and practically, leading to getting materials delivered fast across the UK. Our infrastructure means that we can react quickly to demands, so if you've got a quick design change, the void that needs to be carved into the roof, then we can change it and update our layout drawings accordingly. If you need a partner to keep on programme, then our team are behind you. We're providing the support and the design confidence to handle layout drawings for your site teams or our site fitters to know where each pack belongs when it arrives on site according to our layout drawings, and where every sheet belongs from the start point to the finish, so that you can be confident in the extent of the deck and the number of panels that turn up on site. Our years of experience can help you narrow down the choices. As we're an independent, we can reach out to reputable manufacturers if we can't meet the criteria you have for your project. It's all backed up with product calculations, traceability certificates and endorsements. From D32 shallow profiles to the deep trough structural D200 profile. Colour coat, protective layers to resist aggressive environments. We've got the deck that can do the job for you. We can save you time and money and hassle. We also sell the complete profile range manufactured by Firth Steels and ArcelorMittal. The choices are vast, and our mission is to learn what your goal is, and then we can narrow down the choices you have and help you decide on what's best for your project.